The while loop. While loop is one of the loops in programming by which we can do a certain task repeatedly. So it is often the case in programming that you want to do something a fixed number of times. So it is often that we want to do something, that means we want to do something calculation or something task repeatedly. The while loop is ideally suited for the such cases. Let us look at a simple example which uses while loop. So while loop is ideally suited for such cases means while loop is used for repeating instructions. So we will see an example now. So this is a flowchart for while loop. This is an example actually. So in first block there is a start. So here we are starting. Now the arrow is pointing towards count is equal to 1. So initially count is 1. Then it is pointing towards is count is less than is equal to 3. So if yes, then input PNR. So this is for simple interest, and if no, then stop. Now SI is equal to P star N star R. That means P into N into R divided by 100. Now print SI, that is print simple interest. Now count is equal to count plus 1. That is a next up to next count. So and then it goes against to start. So this is flowchart for one example. Now we can write program using while loop using that flowchart. So first is main. So main is basically used in every program, so it is compulsory. Now int p comma n comma count. So p and n and count are integers. Now float r comma si. So r and si are float. Now count is equal to 1 because count was initially 1. Now while loop count is less than or equal to 3. So while count is less than or equal to 3, now printf enter values of p comma n and r. So we are telling user to enter values of p n and r. Now scanf percent d percent d percent f ampersand p ampersand n ampersand r. That means we are telling compiler to scan these values. Now after scanning p n and r values, now we can apply our formula for simple interest, that is si is equal to p star n star r divided by 100. So this is formula for simple interest. Now printf simple interest is equal to rupees percent f because that value is in float. Now si is in float, so simple interest is equal to rs rupees percent f si, that is simple interest. Now count is equal to count plus 1 because we want to go again to 0, not 0, we want to increase that count by 1. So this is program. Now we will discuss about output of this program. So and here are a few sample runs. That means we have some sample runs. Enter values of p and so these are outputs. First we entered 1005 and 13.5 and we got simple interest of rupees 675. Now we again tried another output. We entered 2005 and 13.5. Now simple interest is rupees 1350. Now we entered values 3500, 5 and 3.5. Now simple interest is rupees 612.50. So this is basically about program using an example using while loop.